Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're having this type of problem on your iPhone device, this account is logged and cannot be used. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this type of problem if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, here you will need to close this tab. After that, first of all, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here you will need to tap on your Apple ID profile. Then here you will have to tap on sign in and security, and here make sure that you have verified your mobile phone number and your email account. So after that, go back and here you will have to close this tab. After that, here you will have to open Safari browser on your iPhone or iPad device. Then in search bar you will have to search for iCloud.com. So after that, here you will need to tap on go. So then after that, here you will need to tap on sign in. So after that, here you will have to sign in your Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad device by entering your Gmail account and your password. So after that, here you need to tap on this arrow sign. So here after that, you will need to enter your password. Then tap on this arrow sign. So after that, here you will have to wait for a few moments. So here you will need to tap on allow. Then here tap on here. So after that, here you will see this type of interface. Here you will need to tap on manage devices. So here you will have to wait for a few moments. So after that, here you will see this type of interface. Here you can see that here this Apple ID is using on 2 devices. So after that, here you will have to tap on this. Then from here you will have to remove your Apple ID from all other devices where your Apple ID has been signed in. So then here after that, you will have to remove all these devices from your Apple ID. Then after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to get rid of this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.